I tried Qredo wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first downloaded the Qredo wallet app, I expected just another crypto wallet with a shiny interface. But after 7 days of testing, the shocking truth is that Qredo isn't just a wallet, it's a full-blown decentralized custody network designed for serious crypto users who value both security and control. On day 1, setup was surprisingly smooth. Qredo uses something called technology, or multi-party computation, which means there are no private keys to lose or steal. Instead, your key is split and distributed across secure nodes, making hacks nearly impossible. Most wallets rely on a single key, and that's their biggest weakness. Qredo completely eliminates that risk. By day 2, I noticed how enterprise-level the platform felt. Everything from transaction approvals to team management is built with institutional standards in mind. You can even assign permissions to multiple users if you're managing shared crypto assets. Midweek, I started moving funds and testing the speed. Transactions between Qredo users are instant and free. That's right, zero network fees for transfers within the Qredo network. And with support for major assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDC, it's not just secure, it's practical. By day 5, I explored Qredo's integration with DeFi platforms. The wallet connects to dApps while keeping your assets under secure custody. It's like MetaMask, but with military-grade security. After 7 days, the shocking truth became clear. Qredo isn't for casual crypto traders, it's built for those who demand absolute control without compromise. It bridges the gap between self-custody and institutional-grade protection, something most wallets can't offer. If you've ever worried about losing your seed phrase or getting hacked, Qredo shows what the next generation of digital asset security looks like. It's powerful, innovative, and honestly way ahead of its time.